Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to update a sale listing on StreetEasy's professional media, including the photos, floor plan, 3D tour, and video tour. So first of all, go to your Agent Tools account, hit My Listings, search for the listing that you wish to update. Remember that you can always hit Load More if it doesn't show up immediately. Once you find it, hit Edit. So to update the photos of a listing, you simply go to the Photos and Media tab. I would recommend deleting, first of all of the existing photos. And then click Upload from Computer. And then select all of the photos that you wish to upload, and then simply hit upload, and then you'll see them pop up. It might take a minute or so. We recommend, again, deleting all of the previous photos first before you upload the new photos to avoid any confusion. And ideally, when you upload the new photos, you can select all and just upload all at once. And ideally, for example, the seller has provided you with the photos and they've labeled them in numerical order, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the way to 11. So this way, when you select all and upload all at once, it automatically goes into the order that the seller customer wants the photos to be displayed in. Same thing with the floor plan. So I would delete it first, then click Upload from Computer. Might take a minute, and then it'll appear. Note that you can always move the photos around if you'd like. But again, there would be no need to do so if they are labeled from the outset and you upload them all at once. Next, on StreetEasy, you'll see that they allow you to add a 3D tour link. However, if you click, you'll notice that they only allow a Zillow 3D Home app link. So they don't allow other 3D tour links such as Matterport, which is very high quality and something that we often use at Hauseit. So they won't allow that here. They'll only allow you to use a Zillow 3D tour link. So if you do have that, you can add that. If it's not a Zillow 3D home tour link, then forget about it here. And you'll also see in this FAQ, what they say is essentially, if you do have a Matterport 3D tour, you can actually upload it via your MLS. So either the MLS or the Revenue RLS, if you do include it. So oftentimes it will show up on Zillow in a separate section. And then for video, note here, you can only use a URL from YouTube or Vimeo. So if you do have a link, input it here, and that's really it. So this is how you update a for sale listing on StreetEasy's professional media, including the photos, floor plan, 3D tour, and also the video. We hope you found this video helpful. My name is Chris at Hauseit, and we'll see you on the next one.